What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys about Melodyne on your vocals. I have a gospel track that I did. I just want to spice it up a little bit, put it on key more. So if this is your first time watching me or you guys just want to check out more videos, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you find it helpful. And yeah, man, so pretty much I'm going to show you guys what I got already. And then I'm going to show you how to make the adjustments on Melodyne. By the way, I'm using Studio 1.5 Professional. So this will work with any type of DAW you're using. Let's play it.
You saved me and made my spirit free. You're the one who broke my chain. You took the pain away when I called your name. You restored my heart again.
So definitely some room for improvement, but let's just go ahead and, so this is how you assign Melodyne on it. So you can right click and go to edit with Melodyne, or you can do Control M. And your Melodyne might come out looking like this. This is because you got to change the algorithm. Go to algorithm and go to melodic and then redetect it. And now it has it. This is exactly what form we want it to be in. So there's two different ways. You can highlight it and you can auto correct it by clicking this button. I don't know if I went too fast. Click this button right here. And then as you see, when I move it over, it'll put them all in the correct key. Now, let's try it. We can try it like that. Let's hear how it sounds. And I'm going to just mute the other one. So now you're only going to hear one vocal.
You saved me and made my spirit free. You're the one who broke my chains.
Sounds pretty good. I mean, no waves tune, auto tune, or none of that. This is how it sounded before.
You saved me.
Here's how it sounds with it.
You saved me and made my spirit free.
So the other way you can do it manually, let's just say that this note was off. Let's zoom in. I can actually zoom in, make it bigger like this. I can hold Option on my Mac and I can slide it up.
It made my spirit free. You're the one who... You're the one who broke my chains. So, I mean, it sounds a lot better to me, a lot more cleaner. These are the things that major artists use when they don't want to use autotune. You saved me and made my spirit free. You're the one who broke my chains.
There it is, man. I mean, I'm going to just do this to all of my vocals, and you can do the same thing. If you guys found this video helpful, do me a favor, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel for more videos on Melodyne. Man, signing out. I'm gone. Peace.